When a patient picks up a prescription from a pharmacy, there's an expectation it will be safe and effective, given the strict regulation around drug approvals. That's why managing the entire supply chain, from the ingredients that make up medicines to the packaging process, is tremendously important for the biopharma industry. But for some companies, that process is still paper-based, which is slow, harder to track, and error-prone. San Francisco, California-based Qualio, founder and CEO Robert Fenton, has developed a cloud platform to automate these quality control checks. This means drugs can get to market faster with a digital roadmap of all the steps along the manufacturing line, so that any issues that arise are easier to trace and take care of. Everything we do is to support enabling teams to launch and scale life-saving products, says Fenton. We do that by solving for the biggest data fragmentation problem that these companies have, which is their quality data. It's fragmented across different teams, tools, departments, locations, and we bring it all together in our product. While pharmaceutical quality management systems aren't something the average person usually encounters, the issue was thrust into the national spotlight when the New York Times revealed that 15 million doses of the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine needed to be thrown out due to an ingredients mix-up by contractor Emergent Biosciences. The quality management system is the series of checks that ensures the vaccines and medicines that arrive at the local pharmacy are safe and effective. More than 100 million doses are still being checked by regulators, and Emergent's CEO acknowledged a failure of the company's controls. On Tuesday, Qualio announced a $50 million Series B financing round led by Tiger Global Menlo Ventures also participated in the round, along with returning investors, Sorenson Ventures, MHS Capital, Sorenson Ventures, Frontline Ventures, and operator partners. Qualio has raised more than $63 million to date. We often forget about this layer of all these things we put in and on our bodies. We just trust their work, but it's actually really complicated, says Fenton, 33. When the stakes are high, when companies are working under huge pressure, you can see where quality issues or quality misses and quality gaps can lead to enormous negative repercussions for people. Qualio is a workflow tool that weaves quality checks into the manufacturing process, versus other systems that just spit out papers you hand to the FDA one time, says Jean-Paul Sanday, partner at Menlo Ventures. It allows for real-time information exchange, so the manufacturer can track and understand if there are unexpected issues or measurements faster. While some of the world's biggest pharmaceutical companies have enterprise systems, Qualio is specifically focused on helping small to mid-sized companies, says Sanday.